Welcome. This episode we're going to build part 5-46U Lubricator Pawl 1 spring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be building part 5-46U Lubricator Pawl 1 spring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Now there is not an issue, just a weird understanding. Okay, let me go here. We've got right here. Going to build this, and this is going to be the next episode. We're going to be building the V version. V. Now, it shows looks like a cylinder there, but it's got 18 coils. So I'm thinking that goes there and it springs around, so that way it hooks on and hooks on. That way it can act like a spring. So according to this, just going by this, it looks like it's solid. But it's talking about coils. So I'm going to build this as a spring like we had, but add these bits on. So that's what I'm going to look at doing. Not too sure I'm going to do that, but we shall learn together. Now let me go back to that. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, let's go to right. It's going to be a circle. That's going to be, that's going to be 3. Yep, 3. Done. Oh, sorry. 3, that would help. Done, thank you. Okay, so now we want to go to end sketch. We want to go to curves, helix, height and revolution. So height is 9. Oh no, that's 9, and revolutions are 18. Doesn't give me the thickness of the wire though. Looking at both dimensions or both both parts. Oh no, 0.05. Okay, 0.05, which is actually 0.05 this time. So that's there. So we go 8K on that. Now this has to go round and out. That's gonna be the interesting part. So let's do this wire completely first. So we want plane on the end of that. Hold on. Cancel that. I had something selected. Plane on the end of that. Oh, why doesn't it work? There we go. Okay, it worked that time. That's weird. Unless I had that selected last time. I had selected last time. Then click OK. Actually, we want the plane actually this way. Ooh, hold on. We do this. Get rid of that edge. That's going to be level with. Right, there we go. That's what we wanted. Okay, perfect. Let me do normal. Oh, actually, don't go normal. I can't see where the thing is. There is. That's what I'm after. Sketch. So we need to go around into the middle. So if we do a line. Oh, didn't quite click in. Let's try it again. We do one line. There we go. Let's go and click in the middle there. Okay, so delete that line. put those two as, well, I can't join them. Well, insert dimension for. Make fixed. Nope, don't want fixed. Nope. Thank you. There we go. I think that's right. Seems to be joined. Let's make, can we make that and that tangent? No, we can't. Okay. That's going to be a radius of 0.75. Yeah, get the mention. Yeah, thank you. That's why. There we go. Whoa. There we go. That goes there. That's good. Now, I just realized something. I shouldn't have that there. So it's got to bend and go down. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Let me... Actually, hold on. Let me delete that one for a moment. Let me take you back to there. Let me do another one from there. Let me just do there. That's going to be, I didn't mean unselect it. That's going to be extruction. Those two will be fixed. And can't do the center point. I can't do the center point. There we go. Now, these two will be tangent. There we go. That way I can now have a piece to curve round and go down. I'm hoping this work. I'm hoping this work. I'm trying to remember back on when I've done this in college. Okay, so that sketches out. Let's now go to plane. We want that point, and we want front. There we go. Perfect. Right, let me hide that one so we don't get confused. Oop, we did it again. There we go. Let's now go to, oh man. Oh, hold on. No. Hold on. Don't keep that plane there, but we need to go back this one. I just realized something. That point needs to be on there. So let me delete that one. Let me make that plane visible. Thank you. Let's now go line. Man, I hate when it does that. There we go. That's going to be, that line's going to be horizontal. There we go. And that's going to go down. Those, actually that line should be construction. Those two are going to be joined. And yeah, there. Exit out of that one. Oop. Point to find the construction plane is no longer in the model. You can resolve. I reselect the point using the edit. What? Hold on. Let me delete that plane. I might have selected that by mistake. So with this sketch, edit. So I might put down the wrong one. That is construction, so that's good. But that one's I got to delete because I want straight. That line is horizontal. Oh, sorry, vertical. Those two are going to be joined. But this one's going to come down to there. There we go. Man, stop doing that. Thank you. And so that point should be lined up with that one. Perfect. Okay, extend that one. Do it again. Come on, boy. Thank you. Okay, let me save that. Let me make that one invisible. Right, we want to do another plane. Get rid of our sketch. Just want to make sure. Plane on that point. And it's going to be... Actually, hold on. Exit on that. Where's it? Use the front plane. I'm an idiot. Let me do sketch. Let me do it the other way. Not down the side. And a normal turn sketch. So it's got to be that point there I'm after. Actually, no, it's that point. That's what I need to come off of. So if we do a point. Perfect. Put those two as horizontal. Those two as vertical. Those two. What is that? Okay, join somewhere. Man. Okay, seems to join. Oh, no, it didn't. There we go. That joined. Me get that sketch so I can then go back into normal. Nope. Wrong way. Normal. Thank you. Now we can start edit. So it's going to go down. It's going to be 3 from there. It doesn't show the dimension of the hole. Oh, man. Okay, we have got a line from there. Nope. Right again. From there, thank you. Down to there. Then we're going to do a center line to there. Let me just bring that one just down there so we don't get a overlap. That's going to be dimension from there to there. Oh, no, way off. 3.5. There we go. Yeah, I was way off. Okay, that can come back. Oh, no, that's not supposed to move. Where's the center line? Oh, way down there. Okay, that point and that point is going to be horizontal. There you go. And that dimension will be 0.1. There we go. I hope. Why have I put 0.08 where it was? Nope. 0.13. Nope. 2. 1, 2. There you go. 0.11. Oh boy. Right, let's go back. This one, yeah, there, so I can go normal to. I think there's some way. There's some way you can do normal to while in the sketch. Okay, now we can bring that down. And do open sketch. Now it's going to be a circle around. It's going to go around there. So let's try wing this. Oh, hold on. Okay, it's going to be 3. 3. Not quite 3. Hold on. It's going to be 3 on the other edge. So it's going to be 2. Okay, 0.5. I'm pointing the screen so you can see. The wire's 0.5, 0.5 diameter. So that's going around twice as 1, so it's going to be 2. No. 2.5. If I got it correct. 2.5. Perfect. Now we want to go. Actually, hold on. Let's not do that one. Let's do this a little bit different. Come on. Thank you. Let's do it like this. Point there. Start there. And round there. So that's got to go back a bit. Thank you. Actually, got to probably go back more. That's going to be 2.5. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Ooh, did I do something wrong? I did circle 3, didn't I? Hold on. Did I? That's 3. Why is that one bigger? Or have I gone crazy? Oh, radius 2.5. Okay. So it should be half of 2.5. Okay. Divide by 2. That's right. I was still thinking diameter. Because it's not a full circle, it's going to put as radius. That's better. That's better. Okay. So that don't quite reach. I'm going to put a dimension from there to there. Hold on. 0.1. And then this one will be curved around there. So if we put that down there, let's go to the 7-point arc. We're going to go from there to there. This point and this point is going to join. This point and this point is going to join. Now, this curve and this curve is going to become tangent. This curve and this curve is going to become tangent. And there you have it. Now we go. Those two is going to be 0.3. What does that look like? Yeah, it's good. I'm happy on that. Actually, let's put 0.45. Let's see what happens. No, it looks too big. 0.3. Nope. 0.45, 0.3, yeah. What the heck? I've got 2 points now. God damn it. 0.3. That works out good. Okay. So that one's done. Let's hope this joins together. I just got a faint feeling I've done something wrong there. If I have to, I can do it. I can do I can run a spline that like a thing there, and just make it look like it's joined. And then later on, when I find out how to do it properly, if I did do it wrong, I can redo the video. But right now, we want it's going to be top plane. Actually, before we do, go back down this side. So now this one here, we need curve again, but this one's going to go like a up, down, across, but it's going to be different to that one. It's going to be, that's on the right plane. Sorry, that's on the front plane. The other one's going to be on the top plane. Let's do this one again. Oh boy. Okay, so if we go top plane. Right plane. Actually, it's on the right plane. So let's go to, where is it? I can't see it now. Oh, wrong one. Right plane. Right plane. There we go. Right there. So if we go sketch, then we go to around to about there. Looks good. 0.5, I think it's right below, wasn't it? You couldn't put them joined together. Come on, why can't it move? There you go. Put those in that one as, oop. Oh, it's orange. Oh, interesting. Okay. We'll come back to that. Okay. Yeah, I'm a little bit in the out of depths here. But hey, that's how you learn. Trial and error. See what works and what doesn't. But that's good there. So now we want that one to we want actually hold on. And this one, what happened? Oh, delete you. And it's going to be, I hate when it does that. Thank you. 0.75. Actually, that's what it was down below, I believe. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now we need, actually we need to bring this one back again. Dang it. Okay, so let me delete that part. Nope, missed it. Come on. Okay, we can't seem to delete that one. Delete. Delete. Interesting. The endpoint cannot be deleted unless the endpoint's... Okay, I wasn't trying to delete the endpoint. Okay. Okay, you know what? Yes. Delete the whole thing. Start again. Reboot. Let's see now. There, but that's going to be for construction. Thank you. Oop, wrong way. There we go. It's going to go there. Now it's going to be 75. Whoa. Oh. Why do you get... No, hold on. What the heck? Oh, 0.75, sorry. .75. That's better. How the heck did I get that big? 0.75. Okay, this one is now okay. It's actually worked out perfectly. It's actually connected with that. Cool. So yeah, smart dimension. Move you to there. Beautiful. Now. Oh, that line's supposed to be straight. That is supposed to be straight. Got about that part. Now let's connect these two again and see what happens. Oh boy. Sorry about that. Get rid of those two, thank you. There we go. Gotcha. And exit sketch. Now we want the right plane. Normal. Yep. Yeah, that's right, because that should be flat. Yep, that's perfect. And oh, hold on. Over on the roller. Now that's going to go. Oh, hold on. And oh, hold on. No, I did it wrong. I did it wrong. Actually, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Let's go here. It's going to be point up. Do a slight curve. Cross. Slight curve and down. There we go. Smart dimension. From there to there will be 4. Actually, no. 5. Oh, what the heck? What did I get so high for? Oh, sorry. 0.5. No, 5. What the heck? There we go. This one here is 4.8. 4.8. Oh, not too wide. What the heck? Looks a lot longer than on the drawing. 4.8, 4.8, says 4.8. That's what's it. Hold on. Just realised. 4.5. That looks better. That looks better. That's why I couldn't work it out. And between there and there does not give me a measurement. From there to there, there's no measurement. Oop. Delete you, thank you. Try again. That line and that line. Oh, hold on. Cancel. What one's not defined? Yeah, there, thank you. Oh, that circle's undefined. Hold on. Let me make them. Let me make that line and that line tangent. Those two are going to be tangent. Those two are going to be tangent. And those two will be tangent. Okay. That's dimensions. That's going to be 0.5. 0.5. Okay, moment of truth. Let's get out of that one. Yeah, I think I'm going to have issues. Okay, so we start on here. Let's go to feature. Oops, sorry. Feature, thank you. Plane, we've got that line and that point. Now we want, it is 0.05, so we'll sketch, circle, smart dimension. I said smart dimension. 0.5, not 0.05. Man, stop doing that. And done. I'm getting nervous. Let me just hide that one. We now want to sweep along. So we're going to grab this circle, which is that one, and grab the line, which is that one. That's what I thought I was going to do. Going to stop there. That's fine. So I'll probably have to do a couple things along. That's awfully big, 0.5. That's what it's got this time. It's got 0.5 from there to there. So diameter is 0.5. Let's try something. .25. Looks better. Looks better. Okay, let's now go. Gonna do that point there. Let's do plane. That point to that line. It's gonna go good. Then we're going to do a sketch. Oops, sorry. Oh, man. I've undone it. Edit. Undo, sweep. You can't undo. Can't redo. Okay. Don't worry about that. I'll go back to do it again. Plane. Point. There. Now, if I could have done it up here, actually, where is that? I could have done there when I made it visible. I could have gone over here. So we want a sketch. We want a circle. It's going to be on there. It's going to be diameter of, what was it again? 0.25. 0.25. Going to be exit out. It's going to be sweep. We want a circle. One circle. What is that one? Oh, I know why. I went back. Two. There we go. And done. Okay, this is not going to be 100% perfect. That line there I've got to do there as well. So you see, I'll do the rest. I'm just going to do the speed run. Unless something happens, I'll come back in. I'm pretty much doing the same thing what I've done there. So let me just hide that one for a moment. I'm going to hide some of this so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, did more than I thought. That's weird. Wasn't expecting to hide that. Interesting. Okay, I'm not hiding that. So actually, what I might do, let me go down here. Oop. I'm not going to speed run just yet. I'm just trying to get over here. So I'm gonna do that one there, the with the what's it called? Sweep. Now I'm gonna do that one, see what happens. So it's pretty much the same thing I've been doing. All right. All right, I'm back. Didn't take that long. Worked out pretty good. Just these here. I need to do a thing there. So the connection. So what I'm thinking, if I go to, oh, let me zoom out a bit so I can see which plane I'm on. If I go, I think it's that plane. Yep. If I go to that one, I can just see better. Okay, top one. Okay, that's what threw me. So if I go to front plane and sketch, if I do a circle, let me just go. Let me go back to there. So it's virtually that one there, down there. Okay. So if I do sketch, do there, if I put if I go there to there, if I put, oops, let's show on there. Go away, thank you. If I put this, stop showing that, go away, thank you. Oh, let me do a 0.25. That's probably too big. That's fine. Put that, yeah, dimension, thank you. Put those two as, yeah, dimension, thank you. Put those two as horizontal and these two as vertical. There we go. Can't move up and down. Hold on. What's that connected to? There we go. Okay, that should be divided by 2. Seriously. Oh, wrong one. Divide by 2. There we go. So that should be good. Let's exit out that one. Let's now go to reference plane. Point that one, and on that one, yes. Now on that plane, go down here. You can have trouble selecting, you always go over here and do it, which is probably a good idea. Now we want, it's going to be 0.2, no it's not, yeah, 0.25. 0.25. Now we go exit out, boss. We've got the circle selected and the line, and done. Let's now go to that one. There we go. Actually, that worked out pretty good. Actually, that worked out a lot better than I thought. I'm really happy this turned out. Like, probably not perfect compared to what it is, but I am happy that, now that turn there probably should be more. That's fine. Okay, so we need to do the same thing here, which is front. Yep. Go to, there we go. So we need one from there to there. Yeah, it's actually joins. Okay. Makes it interesting. Let me go to edit, sketch I mean. So it's going to be, there we go. Those two are horizontal and these two are vertical. That's going to be 0.25. Yep. And that's going to move down. Actually, no, it's not 0.25, sorry. 0.25 divided by 2. I find divide. There you go. It's going to pop out there. Exit out. Now we're going to go to boss. Circle is going to be, oh, exit. We haven't got a circle yet. We need to do the plane. So plane on that point, on that line, and done. Let's make that plane visible, I think of it. Now we want plane 10. You can name these too if you want to. I'll show you that in a minute. Circle. Right in the middle there. I don't think I did get in the middle. There we go. That was 0.25. Yes, that's where I got 0.25 from. Now we want feature. Oop. Guys, exit get feature, sweep. Okay, it's got the sketch, the circle in, and we just need that line. And done. Now name these, just click on it twice and you can name it, you can name it whatever you want. Sweep. Not quite right. There you go. Show you what I mean by that in a minute. If you haven't seen it already. No, that's not what I want. That's what I want. There you go. Yeah, see, that one went too far. That should be back a bit, that one. I'm not going to worry about that. That could be put there. That way. There we go. Oh, nope. That one. Thank you. There we go. All right. That is part 5-46U. Lubricator Pawl 1 spring done. It's not perfect, but if I find out how to do it, I'll do a bit of research for the next one. So the next one I'll probably get more right. No, thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome everyone on board. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.